all of your internal auditors need to be adequately trained. For many years, there has been two forms of training available: internal auditing and then lead assessor. Although the lead assessor course teaches you an overview of the standard you need to audit to, neither of the courses teach you the detail of what you need to know to actually audit successfully. So why do we continue to spend time and money training our internal auditors to a curriculum that doesn't teach them how to actually carry out audits effectively? Because, until now, that's all we've had available to us. The result? Internal auditors do not understand the standard sufficiently to be able to challenge it effectively, leaving gaps in the system unidentified and open to critique by external auditors. And that's just not good enough. In an industry that's as highly scrutinized as ours is, it's time for us to see internal audits as our most undervalued tool and train our auditors with the superpowers they need to do the job properly. How about we have an internal auditing curriculum which is developed to teach not only how to audit to a high standard, but also teaches you the standard in detail, giving you the background understanding to really scrutinize your systems. Now that would be good. How about we go one step further and develop a curriculum which teaches you how to be a best practice auditor that arms you with the skills, tools, and behaviors you need to develop in order to be the best you can be? That would be great. Let's not stop there. Let's even make it suitable for today's manufacturing world. Let's provide additional training courses that you can bolt onto this one, which will give you the detailed understanding you need of all the subjects you'll need to audit, so you can really be the very best auditor. Now that would be amazing. Welcome to the new world of relevant and current training by Techni-K. Our best practice internal audit training course is here, and we think, well, actually we know, it's better than anything else out there. We have developed a course that provides all of the know-how you need to carry out internal audits. Plus, it includes knowledge of the specific sections of the standard, including internal audits, corrective and preventive actions, root cause analysis, senior management commitment, document control, GMP, and training records. We have even included our new Techni-K Smart Analysis Method for root cause analysis. The course comes with one of our famous lesson guides and is packed with practical exercises for you to put your newly learned superpowers to the test. So if you want to become a super auditor, we are ready to sign you up. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. That's why we made our training so great. Call us today to start your training transformation.